This global manufacturing firm partners with customers to provide sustainable paper and packaging solutions. When a customer receives a partial shipment, the manufacturer records the order as a shortfall. To record these details, customer service reps manually update the order details and status across different systems. This approach resulted in processing delays, and leadership wanted a faster solution that could scale to meet high-demand periods quickly. Each day, the solution examines data from shortfall orders, redirects orders that need manual processing, and updates the actual order volume and status in the supply chain management software. It sends a report to the team leader at the end of each day. The solution processed over 190,000 shortfall orders, saving $250,000 and 5,000 hours annually.